Want to crop your video? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so in Videoleap. Let's get started. Open the app first on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to crop. Tap on Add to Project. At the bottom, you can see many editing tools. Now tap on the video. Then slide the toolbar to the right. Then tap on Transform. Now you can zoom in and out to crop the video to only part of the video that you like to keep. Just like so. After you're satisfied, tap on Export at the top right to save the edit. And that is how to crop videos in Videoleap. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.